across 5 factories in China, a startup that's only a few years old is manufacturing around 5,000 dexterous robotic hands per month. That's likely more than any other robot manufacturer, and it's already pushing to more than double the volume with help from its own dexterous systems. Linkerbot, reportedly seeking the $6 billion valuation, may seem like it came from out of nowhere, but its rise says a lot about where robotics could be headed. Linkerbot was launched in Beijing in 2023 by Alex Zhou, a robotics engineer and former child prodigy. In 2000, at age 14, he skipped high school to attend the Huazhong University of Science and Technology in Wuhan as part of an elite youth program for exceptionally gifted students. Growing up, Zhou was deeply influenced by the anime character Doraemon. The robotic cat first appeared in manga form in 1969. While the most influential anime adaptation began airing across Asia a decade later. The dexterous helper from the future uses tools, manipulates objects, and operates naturally in settings built for humans. Zhou has said the character helped shape his early imagination about what robots could become. Friendly helpers that understand human needs, adapt to different situations naturally, and move between practical tasks, personal guidance, and companionship. By the late 2010s, he had identified robotic hands as the critical last great hardware problem that needed to be solved to make that a reality. Like Elon Musk, Zhou believes that the human hand is the central interface between intelligence and the physical world. The philosophy became the foundation for his startup Linkerbot, which immediately began sprinting toward mass commercialization upon launch in July 2023. At the time, the Chinese government was becoming increasingly fixated on the humanoid form factor. A few months later, Beijing formally set a national goal to mass manufacture human-like robots by 2025 and to own the market by 2027. The policy flooded China's tech hubs with billions of dollars in funding to rapidly develop next-gen machines. A truly staggering number of startups began popping up throughout the mainland, while existing firms added humanoids to their portfolios. The robotics firms that got the most attention sought to develop a general-purpose humanoid that could perform virtually any industrial and domestic task humans do. Zhou chose dexterous hands as the entry point because he viewed it as the key to unlocking general-purpose usefulness. Before the formal launch, the founder reportedly studied thousands of dexterous hand papers and compared global technical approaches. The commercial dexterous hand market already existed, but it was expensive and mostly built for research labs rather than mass humanoid deployment. At the high end, London-based Shadow Robot's dexterous hand was one of the best-known research platforms, with pricing often cited around $65,000 and often a lot higher depending on the configuration. The South Korean company Wonic's Allegro Hand offered a more accessible 16-degree of freedom end effector under 25 grand. In China, fellow Beijing firm Inspire Robot had been working on dexterous hands since its launch in 2016, but they were not yet its focus. It was positioning itself as a core robot components manufacturer with its strongest advantage in integrated micro-high-precision servo control. Inspire had reportedly shipped fewer than 1,000 dexterous robot hands total from 2016 to 2023, with its best years around 300 to 400 units.
喵喵，大家好，我是灵巧猫，一只专门研究机械手的机器猫，在这里为大家介绍灵巧手背后的前沿科技。灵巧的机械手不仅是现代机器，更是未来智能生活的关键所在。
Linkerbot introduced its first commercial product in early 2024. The 5-fingered humanoid-style end effector, the Linker Hand L20, boasts a reported 21 total degrees of freedom. 16 of the moving joints are described as active, meaning they're for precise control. The remaining 5 act as mechanical buffers for impact absorption and object adaptation. It features a linkage-driven design. That means it uses tiny connected metal parts that act like miniature levers to move the hand's fingers. It lets the fingers bend, grip, and wrap around objects without needing a separate motor inside every single joint. Linkerbot's linkage approach put the startup in the practical middle ground. The hand is more capable than a simple gripper, more scalable than expensive research hands, and more rugged than delicate tendon systems. The trade-off is that linkage hands are less human-like than tendon-driven designs like Shadow's Dexterous hand. At 1.2 kilograms or under 3 pounds, the L20 is 2 to 3 times heavier than human hands. It's built to handle loads up to 10 kilos or 22 pounds and has tactile sensing with human-level sensitivity. Linkerbot marketed it as a hand that could be integrated with existing platforms from popular vendors for work that requires grasping, pinching, using tools, and collecting data. Price starting around 10 grand, the high degree of freedom robotic hand was still expensive, but much closer to a scalable humanoid component than older Western research hands costing tens of thousands more. Linkerbot also released a cost-optimized version called the L20 Lite that starts under $5,000, and the Linker Hand L10, a mid-tier end effector with 10 active and 10 passive degrees of freedom. Price starting around 4 grand. Linkerbot's entry lightweight model is called the Linker Hand 6, which features 6 active degrees of freedom and can reportedly carry 50 kilos or 110 pounds. Its price, starting around $1,500, would have been considered unthinkable just a year prior. At the high end of Linkerbot's offerings is the L30, which is described as tendon-driven rather than linkage-driven. It boasts a reported 21 degrees of freedom. It's engineered for highly precise, contact-rich tasks with a level of control that approaches and, at times, exceeds human capabilities. Its price starting around 14 grand. The startup is also developing its own humanoid platform and artificial intelligence system called LinkerSkillNet, which is basically a growing library of hand skills. As Linkerbot collects data from real-world actions, the system studies things like finger movement, camera input, pressure, force, touch, and the position of each joint. Then it turns those examples into repeatable skills the robot can use again.
可以让它给大家表演一下。
By late 2025, Linkerbot reported it had shipped its 10,000th Dexterous hand and raised $150 million since April of that year. It claimed to be the only company mass-producing more than 1,000 high-degree of freedom robotic hands each month. Linkerbot's hands have gone viral for appearances at high-profile events like Beijing's first humanoid robot games and CES 2026, where they powered humanoid piano players. In this recent demo from Beijing's Roque, a humanoid-style industrial robot repeatedly threads a needle with its integrated Linker L20 hands. According to Reuters, Linkerbot is targeting a $6 billion valuation for its next funding round as it scales from 5 to 10,000 units per month. That's just $1 billion less than what Hangzhou-based Unitary Robotics, the world leader in humanoid and quadruped deliveries, is targeting as it heads toward an initial public offering. Linkerbot also claimed owning more than 80% of the global high degree of freedom robotic hand market. Linkerbot says its hands have been used in labs at leading Chinese universities and for industrial giants like Midea, Siemens, and Samsung. Linkerbot has about 400 employees and 5 facilities across Beijing and Shenzhen. Though the company appears to have a lead today, there's growing competition. In the race to automate everything, an eclectic array of end effectors is hitting the market. Over the next few years, analysts expect them to take over tasks that require human-level precision and adaptability, and they'll likely show up everywhere long before humanoid robots walking around feels normal. Shanghai-based Wuji Tech just teased its second-generation robotic hand that's engineered for long-duration, high-performance dexterous manipulation. The robotics firm's first-generation Wuji hand can be seen in this viral demo from the French startup Genesis, which was launched in 2025 with more than $100 million in seed funding. According to Wuji Tech, Genesis is developing its own proprietary robotic hand. Wuji Tech says it worked with the Paris-based team to develop a version of the hand tailored to its system. The artificial intelligence is trained on data collected using high-tech gloves. They capture motion, force, and tactile feedback from real human hands at work. For more on the Wuji hand and other next-generation robotic hands disrupting the future of work, check the related video.